Mime, etymologically speaking, came from the Greek word mimus, literally mean actor or imitator. Mime is a performing arts, meaning the story is depicted through body position, gestures, facial expression, and body motion.
Mahirap bang mag-mime?
Hindi.
Sa akin, siguro nung una, mahirap kasi ang daming mong pagdadaan ng training, ang daming papagawa sa'yo kahit hindi mo kaya, sige lang, push lang daw, kahit yung buto mo, babalik ko na, gagawin mo yung best mo kasi yung trainer mo, kahit pa paano, minamotivate ka. Pero ngayon, sisimula na. Ikaw.
Napaka-challenging yung pagmamahal kasi minsan yung i-interpret mong song, hindi parehas sa pinagdadaanan mo. Halimbawa, pinagdadaanan ko, napakabigat na pinagdadaanan ko, tapos i-interpret ko, napakasaya. Di ba ang hirap na naiyak-iyak ka, tapos i-interpret mo masaya. Challenging din siya kasi yung sa, halimbawa, kailangan na yung feeling na yun, yung dapat mo sabihin is masabi mo talaga through your actions na walang sinasabing man.
Yes, exciting form of art. What makes it exciting? Kasi may mga bagay na gagawin ka na usually in your normal life, hindi mo naman gagawin. For example, yung such facial expression, may mga time na for the purpose of, of beauty, for the purpose of entertainment, you will just get along with the fun of making exaggerated facial expression. And another thing sa what makes mime exciting, yung mga gestures na minsan out of this world, hindi mo maintindihan by yourself.
Nagta-training, nag-workshop, madaming araw na nag-workshop kami, tapos nagpa-practice.
Nagko-conceptualize ka kung paano mo gagawin yung stories na
So, pagdating sa actual talaga na performance, kung kinakailangan maging flexible ka na hindi ka marunong mag-makeup, basta gawin mo lang yung best mo. Alam mo kung paano mag-makeup, gora lang.
Well, basically, we're doing mime because for the purpose of entertainment. Kasi alam naman natin na may mga point na nakakatawa and nakakatawa yung pagmamime.
Ang purpose ng mic para mai-express ang message ng song.
Eh, syempre, nasa church kami, kaya yung pinaka-purpose namin kung ba't kami nagmamime is to share o i-inform lahat yung true message ng Lord gamit yung miming.
What makes miming different to other stage play? Actually, they have similarities, and one of those are they are both expressing their feelings, they are both telling their own motives or their stories, but the main difference of miming to the other stage play is in stage play, the characters or the performers is telling the stories through dialogues. They are using dialogues to tell the viewers that this is the story. But in the miming, they are not using any dialogue or any words to interpret the story, but they are using the body movements, they are using body motions to tell to the viewers that this is the story.
tumulong sa akin. Ano ba? Ang gugulo nyo. Ang galing-galing ko na ngayon. Next time, marunong na ako. Kayo rin. Bye-bye. Play mo lang. Hoy, Agnes! Tatulong na maglagay ng love song!
Grabe ka.